All right, welcome back for part 3. So as we step out here, it's just this huge, beautiful backyard, kind of Oasis style. It has two automatic drop-down shades. You can adjust them at any height, and there's two over there too. We just didn't bring them down today. But the reason for that is because right around 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock here in the summertime, the sun is really gonna come in and provide some well, it's going to make its presence known. Let's just put it that way. So this cuts the heat and the light incredibly. So it's a must-have if you're facing this way, which we are. So, anyways, it has a beautifully manicured lot, which has it's on a drip system, and a great sitting area for fireplace. This comes in handy most of the time at night. Not in the dead of the summer, but even at other times that you wouldn't really think of, it's awesome to have this barbecue grill setup and probably pool equipment. I'm not sure what's in there. The pool is heated. Again, like I said, like I showed before, you've got your conversation area with the fire pit here. Interesting art. I'm not certain if it conveys or not, but I'm sure some of it might be able to if the offer is right. Depends, but it certainly mixes well, of course, with the decor of the backyard. It's a big pool. It's very deep. I don't know exactly how deep. I'm going to guess maybe, I don't know, 10 or 13. It's diving anyways. So there are water runoffs on the sides of the lot that all eventually go down into this central area there by where the saguaro is. Where's the saguaro? I must have missed it. Oh, I'm looking right at it. Here. Okay. Anyways, all of this land. And I know the camera doesn't do a great job of showing it. I wish it did. But it's just beautiful sunsets. This land is protected and it can't be disturbed. So through all this brush, the golf course is in between us and those mountains, even though those mountains are way far away in the other side of the valley. But nonetheless, that would be at the back of the neighbor's property, and all of this is unbuildable. So this will remain this way forever. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the tour. It's really nice. I would say not much in this area to do, other than I might put a little bit of fencing right along the end of this line just for there's like a mesh fence that we have out here just for like snakes and stuff, which I don't know. We don't really. I've never seen too many of them. I've been here 26 years, but this is a lot of desert land. It's where they tend to live. Of course, they're not in New York City. At least they're not. You know, well, there are some wearing ties, but you know what I mean. Anyway, there are some different things that we can do aesthetically to this if you wanted, but overall, the paint job and everything, its setting. It's a wonderful subdivision. It's really nice. A lot of families in here, and just everybody just has a great time, and very, very friendly. What can I say? I'm proud to have held the house open today. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please reach out to me with any questions, and I'd be happy to arrange all the answers at your convenience. My number is 480-203-3704. This is Kurt Boyd with Russ Lyon Sotheby's Scottsdale Camelback office here at Russ Lyon Sotheby's International Realty in Arizona, of course. Thank you, and I'm going to go inside and get some water. All right, thank you.